Welcome to Ocean View, an exquisite trophy home offering an unparalleled beachfront lifestyle. Imagine waking up every morning to the sounds of waves lapping at your doorstep and stepping outside to breathtaking ocean views. This is the reality at Ocean View, a masterpiece designed by renowned architect Paul Ullman. As you step inside, the light-filled interiors seamlessly blend with the stunning coastal panorama. Spread over a sprawling 1,000 square meters, the home offers a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line Miele appliances, perfect for creating culinary delights while enjoying the company of loved ones. Unwind after a day at the beach in the opulent media room, complete with a projector and large screen for movie nights or catching the latest sporting events. Host unforgettable gatherings in the top-floor entertainment lounge, featuring a built-in bar, a private beachfront balcony, and a state-of-the-art temperature-controlled wine cellar that can hold approximately 2,500 bottles. Retire to one of the 6 spacious bedrooms, each a haven of relaxation with built-in wardrobes and luxurious marble ensuites. The true sanctuary awaits you in the sun-drenched master suite. Wake up to uninterrupted ocean views from the built-in daybed or relax in the sitting area framed by floor-to-ceiling windows. Unwind after a long day in the spa-inspired ensuite, featuring a decadent combination of timber and copper accents. Step outside and embrace the ultimate Queensland lifestyle. Relax by the sparkling pool, perfect for cooling off on hot summer days. Entertain in style on the expansive alfresco areas, ideal for barbecues and gatherings under the stars. The beautifully landscaped front yard with manicured lawns offers a green haven for children to play, complete with a custom skate park and a charming cubby house, a surefire way to create lasting memories. Ocean View is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Located in one of Australia's most prestigious beachside addresses, it offers an unparalleled combination of luxury, privacy, and absolute beachfront living. Imagine spending your days swimming in the crystal clear ocean, indulging in water sports, or simply soaking up the sun on the golden sands. Ocean View makes this dream a reality.